Hey everyone, welcome to the winter tea time with
Hi,
Pam and
everybody.
Aaron.
Yes, we've got our little Christmas teacups and having it's sort of a
Apple cinnamon?
apple cinnamon, right?
It's so good. I think it's Hallmark Channel tea, actually.
And we're wearing our down coats because it's very
It's cold here in
cold.
Pam's garden.
Central California.
She actually has some zinnias, and her citrus, of course, is having a lot of fruit. And
My pansies are doing really well, as you can
Mhm.
see here. These are my blue pansies.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really
And-
pretty dark already.
Yeah. The zinnias are just about at the end of it,
Mhm.
but I have plenty of different pansies around
Yeah,
and cyclamen.
a lot
right
of
now.
really pretty cyclamen,
Cyclamen.
and a few sunflowers that are still kind of reaching toward the sky.
Right. I actually raised those later, Aaron, this year because I wanted some to have it for my Thanksgiving dinner on the table for
yeah,
my
we did.
centerpiece. Yeah, so that's why they're growing a little bit
Oh.
later in the season for me this year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, for me this year in the winter, I'm able to put some of my succulents outside on my
okay.
patio area.
Right.
Most of them died this summer because it was so terribly hot in Southern California, but
Yeah, it was like in the upper 90s, 100s.
100.
Yeah,
Over
over
100.
100.
Yeah.
Many weeks during the summer there.
Yeah, and just because it's winter, I think just to remember for me too is like the plants still need water. Yeah, there could be
Yes.
wind, it could be dry, and so that's still
Also, the frost, Aaron, is another thing. You need to make sure your flowers are moist, the pots, or the soil even, because what happens is if the frost comes through and the wind comes through, it dries out the pots, and then they will shrivel. And even with succulents, they need the moisture. So you need to keep them watered, even in the wintertime. Even when we know that rain is coming, like for here tomorrow, but we need to water in between also.
that makes
Right.
sense.
Right.
Well, we also wanted to share with you, Mom, can you tell me a little bit about the holiday stocking stuffers
Yes,
for
yeah,
Jolly
sure.
Garden Holiday?
I have the little seed, little sticks right here, and then I also have
Those
a
are for
marking
labeling, like when you plant something?
Right. So if you have, flowers or herbs or
Mhm.
vegetables, and you are planting the seed, then you would use your marker on the little post.
Those garden pens are really valuable, actually, so
Yeah,
I'm
they're hard
excited
to-
that we have those in there.
Right. During the pandemic, you couldn't find them just everywhere.
Oh,
Yeah. And then I also
I didn't
have
realize that.
postcards. These are postcards that are flowers from our garden. We have lavender and cosmos and hydrangeas, right? And so it comes with the 3 crayons, and it, like as you can see, the post, you just write your address and write your little note on the back. These are good for seniors, children, and anybody in between.
I love those. They're super
yeah,
cute.
they're super and great stock.
Shout out to
Yeah.
Marlia and Josh on
Yeah,
those
for
ones.
helping us with those.
We also have some Jolly Holiday seed packets
Yes.
that are making great gifts.
They are.
The first one we have is foxgloves, hollyhocks, and wallflowers. That comes with 1 packet of each type of flower.
Right.
Super cute. The next one is our autumn grouping, which is larkspurs, sunflowers, and zinnias. The next is spring with cosmos, pincushions, and red poppies. And then the last one is our summer grouping, which is cornflowers, zinnias, and balsam and patience. So we're calling these our Jolly Holiday seed gift sets.
Right.
These are all available on our website. And Pam has lovingly harvested these small
All by
batch.
hand.
Mhm.
And I saved all the poppy seed pods from my spring flowers, and I've used those to decorate with a little twine on top.
I thought maybe you could tell us a little bit about the wreaths
Oh,
that you
yeah,
made for the
yeah.
winter. So you've got lavender and larkspur, and then I guess if there's a certain decoration that people want extra of, you could put that in your note in your
yeah.
order so she
Right.
could add more of it.
Right.
That's awesome.
And then they come with different bows
Mhm.
too, also.
Cute.
Yeah, thank you. I think it was fun making them this year.
Yeah. If anyone has any questions about winter gardening or what's happening in your yard or your porch or your patio or even your house plants, feel free to email us or direct message us on Instagram.
Yeah, we're more than happy to.
Pam is an
answer.
expert, and we have other experts in the family that can
Yes.
answer your questions
Yes,
too.
the master gardeners, my brothers. So, if I can't answer it, then I'd be glad to pass on the message to them and get the correct answer for you. Yeah, happy season, gardening season to everyone.
Happy winter gardening.
Yes.
Mm.
Yummy.
Yum, yum.
Take
All
care,
right.
everyone.
Happy gardening.
Oh, and then even the birds are here to say goodbye. Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.